How to replace the switch on a neon transformer. First of all, you have to be sure, of course, that it's the switch. Most of the time, there's two things that happen to the switch. One, the chain breaks, and there's no way for you to turn it on and off anymore. Second thing that happens is that it doesn't click anymore, like this one. This transformer is not, the switch is not clicking anymore. That means that it's stuck on either on or off. So what we're going to do is replace the switch. Some transformers have, on the back of the transformer, they have the 4 switches like on this one. So I'm going to take the back off. There you have it. And there's the bad switch. So you probably need some pliers to take out the nut, which is this one. Just twist it a little bit, unscrewing it, and it'll come out. Now, as you can see, a very simple procedure. Now, this one is no good anymore, so what we're going to do, we're going to cut it all the way to the body of the switch. That way we have enough wire to work to install the new one. And then we're going to take a little bit of the insulation here off. Next step, we install a brand new switch. Here we have a brand new switch, which, by the way, you can buy in my website, the neonsignguystore.com. Oops, I forgot to take out this. These type of switches are regularly, they're almost all the same size, so there's no problem in getting them in. Now, there are some transformers that don't have these type of switches, that have electronic type of switches. On those ones, there's no way to fixing those. You just have to replace the whole transformer. Then you tighten it up a little bit. These wires, you have to cut them a little bit to the size. I'm not going to do that because I'm not going to install this switch there, but I'm just going to show you how the next step. After you cut the wires to the size, or you can even leave them like that. You put one to the red one and one to the black one. Doesn't really matter which one you put in there. And then you get these things that are called wire nuts. You put them on top, and then you screw them inside there. Same with the other one. And then you tuck them all there like that. And you put the screws back. And you have there a new switch ready to work.